I started out with an inexpensive loom and a ton of acrylics. It was just like a cheap one. I thought, okay, I'll buy it. You know, I love to craft. Let's just try it. And then I was addicted to it. I just wanted to buy all the yarn, try as many as I could. Like all the different techniques. I was reading up on blog posts and reading like different people's advice and finding out things, and just wanted to make more and more. Kind of started with filling all the nails in the house with weavings, so they're everywhere now. We have no other artwork other than weavings. I've really been gifting a lot of these weavings that I've been making, some nursery wall hangings and a lot of necklaces. And the thing I think I found mostly for me is time. Time is one of the great things. It's like so precious, and there's not always as much of it as you want. And I would have weavings on my largest loom that would sit there, and it was hard to keep going with it. But the little loom, as soon as I got that, a project was started and finished within 1 hour. I take it on the plane, I take it in the car, even just driving back from running some errands, and I can have a necklace at least pretty much woven by the time we get home when I'm not driving. My personal favorite in terms of hanging them, if it's a wall hanging, is driftwood, and Bay of Fundy has a great supply of this. Almost every day trip now has to be, okay, are we going to a beach? Is there going to be driftwood? So, local yarn, local driftwood. I think that's kind of where my favorite style is heading, but I'm learning all the time, and so it could change as I learn more.